In-context learning is a new phenomenon, and it has only come about, in the wake of these large language models like ChatGPT, that are designed to, at their core, they answer questions by using, kind of mathematical representations of the similarity of words, basically. And so in-context learning is a new way of leveraging these publicly trained large language models like ChatGPT and some other providers like Google and a few others, but to use them to interact directly with and to query directly your private data. So in this case, the private data of a hospital. So ChatGPT doesn't know anything about the private data of a hospital. And so this in-context learning is a way for us to use this powerful AI model that has been built, but to shine it onto the private data of the hospital. So, and this wasn't possible even 10 months ago. An entire ecosystem of tools to accomplish this has emerged really in the last 10 months. And it's rooted largely in the concept of, you may have heard of this before, it's called prompt engineering. It's actually, you've got a lot of businesses that are now posting jobs for prompt engineering. Right. And so prompt engineering understands that these large language models are, or at least can be thought of as sort of text in, text out black boxes. So if my text into this black box includes not only the question I want to have answered, but also specific directions to the large language model about how to respond and to give it examples of what good responses for other similar questions might have been, and give them the subset of private data that it needs to respond. If I put all of that into the prompt, into the text in, along with the original question to be asked, and then give it to the LLM does a great job generally of responding with very helpful answers. And if any of you are data wonks out there, this particular approach is far more effective than fine-tuning or retraining a brand new large language model. So for smaller data sets, this in-context learning design pattern, what we call it, is it actually performs better than those custom trained models.